see if you have the value. In this video, we're looking at some of the ways, 3 ways of making $100 plus daily with Python programming. Money, 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 money. Well, I've already said that you don't have to chase money, this and that, but at last we all need money. Money is the thing that feeds up, right? You should chase the value, right? The value that you provide, because that's what it is. Like if someone comes here, if somebody gives me value, I can pay him, right? If that value is not worth it, I can't pay it, right? I have hundreds of students who are doing the same thing. And I want to share some of the techniques that I share with them to you, and maybe you can also make $100. And after you have that mastery over Python programming, I'm going to share 3 ways of making $100 plus daily with Python programming. At the end, watch this video till the end, because I have a bonus tip for you that nobody tells you actually, and I'm going to tell you, okay? Stick to that. The first one is, it's very uncommon, but it gets you a lot of money. I'm saying it's a lot of money. I'll show you my screenshot of how much I have earned, and it makes you a lot of money, and that is making a course, online course. It doesn't make sense, right? Right now, if you think about making course, how can it make money? I want you to picture this. You have maybe 100 students, let's say, 100 students, picture this. And maybe your course is $200, okay? Can you calculate that? 200 times 100, it's $200,000, and it's a huge amount, right? If we at least can get 100 people that can pay you $200, you made the money. And in the course industry, the online teaching industry, it's really easy to get 100 people to pay $200. I want you to do this. I want you to capture an in-detailed video on how you can learn Python programming, and each details, right? Many other skill sets that you can add, like how to earn money with Python, how to get clients with Python, how you can make platforms with Python, maybe some clone of Python, the projects, right? All these things. Make a full-packed, value-packed course. And maybe first thing you can do is sell it online on yours. That will make all of the technological cost on you. But another ways to do this is hosting your site on Udemy, all these platforms like Skillshare, all these things. Another one is teach online, and that's what I do sometimes, right? Teach online. That means one-to-one. It's not course, and it is not, it's not a passive income, but at least you can earn something with this teaching online. Because when you teach online, you can charge high price, like really high ticket price, and you can also choose who you want to work with. But at last, it all comes down to your acumen and your skill set also. So teach online. There are many sites that will help you to teach online. Vyzant is one. Skillshare is also one. You can post a free video, free course, small course, and maybe you can direct that to your online teaching course. Another one is giving workshops. What do you mean by that? Find some of the conferences, seminars, some of the event management companies, and go and approach them and say that I am a Python instructor and I want to teach people about Python programming. And most probably they will give it, because if they are getting clients, if they are getting students to pay them, why not, right? If you can bring 1,000 people in your workshop and charge at least $100, so let's say $50, you're making a heck lot of money. Maybe if you even share like 50% to them and 50% to you, you are still making money. Another way is you can host your own seminar or workshop and create a lot of money, and all of them is on you. And expense is also on you, but if you don't want to spend some money, you can always collaborate with someone. And as I promised, I have to give this. I don't want to give this, but I have promised with you, but that's why I'm giving you this. So I want you to subscribe to this channel, this elite community of Python programmers and entrepreneurs. I want you to subscribe before I give this 4th bonus tip for you of earning $100 plus daily with Python programming. And nobody tells you actually. This is providing consulting. What do you mean by consulting? Because most people take it otherwise. Maybe they don't know the meaning of consulting. Consulting basically means giving the consultation to someone else. That means if someone is having problem with Python, you can charge them and show them what is wrong with their Python code, or what they can add in, what are the technologies that you can add in. Maybe they are using Flask, maybe you can consult them to change it into Django. Right? Maybe they are using, let's say, Tkinter, and maybe you can suggest them to do with some high-end graphic GUI framework, right? And there is a huge amount in consulting, because you can charge heck more, like $10,000, $100,000. I've seen one of my friends in the US earns $100,000 per month by just giving Python consulting. That's it, and that's simple. But the main part is you must have each detail knowledge of Python programming. If they ask you, you must know it like that. If they ask you something, you must know it like that. If they ask you something, you must know it like that, right? If you don't know it, you can't provide consulting, because you won't meet the expectations of your client. Actually, there is no limit of how much you can earn with Python programming, because the market is so competitive, and the market is so high also. So it's competitive also. It's better for you to learn the skill set. Obviously, it's really valuable for you to learn the skill set. I want you to go through this video and learn Python programming right now, and click here to subscribe and join this elite community, because I provided a lot of free bonuses for you, right? I want you to subscribe right now and click that notification bell. Watch my other video on learn Python programming, and I'll see you.